Hey everyone, I hope you're having an awesome day so far. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So today we are going to look at understanding what is similar. What does that similarity mean? How do we talk about similarity? So today's going to be a really quick short video on this standard MAFS.8.G.1.4. We are here on Thursday. You do not have any graded assignments today, but if you did not do that standards checkpoint yesterday, if you have not watched the videos from this week, I would encourage you to do all of that. So, it says describe a sequence of transformations in detail that show how trapezoid ABCD is mapped onto A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. So two things happened here. What happened that mapped this first triangle onto the second one? Go ahead and take a guess. So what happened here was this object reflected. So it reflected on to the triangle down here. But then it increased its size. So when we increase size, that is a dilation. So this sequence of transformations flipped the object over, it reflected it, and then it dilated it. All right, hopefully that got you warmed up. Let's go ahead and look at this second one. So what happened here? All right, so after you've taken a look at this one, what two transformations do you believe created this second figure? So the most important thing to know here is to know which figure is your original. So it says, describe a sequence that shows that ABC, so this large one, is similar to A prime, B prime, C prime, the second one. So what happened here is it did reflect again. So it reflected, it reflected, and then what did it do? So it reflected and then it dilated. Okay, so if I reflected this over, if I had an imaginary line here, I reflected over, then I dilated it. What I want to remind you guys of a scale factor. So did this enlarge or did it reduce? Well, it definitely reduced. So would that scale factor be greater than 1 or less than 1? So if it reduced, remember we're looking at a scale factor that is less than 1. Okay, here we go. Go ahead and take a look at this one. What two transformations occurred that created triangle A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime? Okay, so those two transformations that happened. This rotated, definitely rotated first. Then it dilated. But did it enlarge or did it reduce? Well, this reduced again. Reduced. So it rotated about this point C over here. Okay, the last problem that we're going to look at, decided not to look at it, but that's okay. What I want you guys to do is I want you to encourage you to go into USA Test Prep. And today, make sure you're working on that standard G.1.4. G.1.4. Make sure your standards checkpoint from yesterday was done. We've got one more video for tomorrow, and then it's Friday. Have a great day. Goodbye.